Hello, my name is Chris and I'm here to demonstrate for you the new Philips Norelco Power Touch Wet Dry Shaver with Aquatech technology. This is the shaver right here, and as you can see, it's got 3 floating heads, in which is supposed to provide a smooth, comfortable shave, whether you use it for wet shaving or dry shaving. So let's go ahead and give this thing a try and see what happens. Oh, come on. This thing won't work. What the fucking is this? Well, it seems to be delivering a pretty smooth shave. We're using the circular motion like it says to do on the box. We wetted our face before we tried this shaver, so it doesn't seem to be pulling any hair. This is probably the smoothest 3-blade shaver I've used. It works pretty good. It's quiet. It works cordless, and then you can recharge it by putting it on the cord, plugging it in for about an hour. It's not self-cleaning, so you do have to run it under some water and clean it out. Especially if you use foam or gel, you're supposed to clean it out every couple of seconds and make sure it's not getting clogged, and that you get a smooth shave every time. And it's also got the pop-up trimmer here. You can see that, so you can shave in close areas, get your sideburns or whatnot. Well, that's about all there is to the shaver. It seems to work pretty good, does what it says, gives a smooth, comfortable shave, whether it's wet or dry shaving you're using it for. And like I said, you just run it under some water, clean it out. Looks good, shaves good. I recommend it. The new Philips Norelco Power Touch Aquatech Wet Dry Shaver. Till next time, see you later.